smackhead, if you're watching this, f*** you. Oh, come on, boys. Oh, shit. Nice. Service day. Getting ready for stage 1 mapping. Roof down, gang. Today is amazing weather. Excuse the hair, because the hair is a little bit dodgy and the sun's going to be right behind me as well. Need the lens. Right, currently on my way to see my boy Tom and James Hyatt to give the car a full service. Oil, spark plugs, coils, getting the car ready for mapping. Because obviously you have a tendency to when you map these cars, if you haven't changed the coils, sometimes you get misfires. So I'm doing everything right now, ready for that. And also my V5's turned up so I can put my private plates on, which is dope. So then Tom, first time you've seen it with the splitter and that, right? What do you reckon?
That's dirty.
Oh shit, what's that?
It's dirty.
Oh mate, don't do that to me.
Ooh, covered.
Yeah, oh, my V5 literally just turned up. B8 BLX is going back on.
We'll put it on then.
Yeah, well in a minute.
Right, hang on, you got a problem.
What's that? What's the problem?
You got a problem.
What's the problem? Yeah, I know it's not gonna fit. I'm taking off the carbon.
That ain't gonna fit.
Yeah, I know that, mate. I'm gonna take off. I'm thinking about putting it on the side here. I'd like a little side placement like that.
That'd be alright, wouldn't it?
Obviously, I love this carbon fibre thing here. It matches that, but I like having a shorter plate, and I think that is where I want to have it.
Are you changing coils?
Because when I map it, they have a tendency to misfire. Sound good?
Sounds nice.
So the first thing that we were going to do is the handbrake shoe seems to be sticking or making some sort of like a rubbing noise when I'm driving it. It's from the rear left, and when I put my foot on the brake like normal, it doesn't affect this noise. So we are looking at a potential issue with the handbrake shoes, right Tom? Is that right?
Yeah.
Expert opinion?
They sound nasty.
Yes. Is my shoe broke, mate?
I think so.
Oh no, not the shoes.
Moment of truth. Yeah, that's.
Oh.
Drop that. Is your lining on here?
Lining, right?
Yeah. So it's a brake shoe lining.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's missing.
Right.
That one's still there.
Right.
But it's split there.
Okay.
So it wouldn't take much for that to break.
So luckily, if basically this is just a little lesson to anybody, if something doesn't sound right, try and get it sorted as soon as possible, because it could cause damage to other things as well. All right, so just obviously sort that. So while they're doing that, I've taken off the rear number plate. I've just give it a quick hand polish underneath. We can't seem to get that mark off, unfortunately, but my number plate should cover that anyway. But yeah, that looks so clean without the yellow on it. It looks lush. We're going to give the car a full service right now. Oil, spark plugs, and coils, and the new oil filter as well. So just give it a nice fresh. We'll reset the service light on the car as well, because there was one. Did you catch it? How's it looking?
Hot. Spillage!
That is so cool.
Next choices.
Who's this? Who's this? You know, mate? Nope.
Mate.
Oh no.
That's made a right mess.
Oh no.
Be fine, mate.
Delicious.
That's why we got brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner.
That's why your holders come apart, mate. When was the last time this was serviced?
What's the matter with it?
That plastic bit there that's on the filter, that should be lifting up with the filter like that.
Okay.
And then it drains.
So it hasn't been serviced in a while then?
So basically,
And that filter looks fat.
Well, it's a good
that
thing.
plastic thing should be in there.
Okay.
Good job you didn't.
Well, yeah, I did say to the guy, I don't know what I did ask him when it was our service, and I don't think he knew either. I reckon this car's been in an accident or something, and he's just done it up and sold it without even servicing it or anything.
Right, you need to try and get that plastic bit out, man.
Smackhead, if you're watching this, f*** you.
Oh, Jesus.
So, James is saying the old filter was absolutely buggered.
I've had to cut it off the actual filter housing. But yes.
That looks really bad, doesn't it?
It's definitely been in there a while.
Yeah. You're going? Alright, see ya. Whatever. Oh yeah, for you guys that don't know, this is James's car. On bags. So cool. Right, next step, we're going to be taking out all the coil packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got some nice Delphi ones. Apparently these are what you need for the, going like stage 1 and 2 and all that kind of jazz. So we're going to be going those. You literally, I think you just lift these up. Oh, they are a bit hot. Lift those up, unplug, lift up, and then feed something through this hole here to then yank it out.
Right, pull one side.
Up together, boys, nice and steady. There we go.
Got a metal sleeve.
Yeah. Tell you what, stunning, mate.
Should be a ripper.
So these spark plugs are the ones that I've gone with. They are 1 step colder, and this will help when you up the boost and the power of your car. I think it just apparently is better for it. I don't know the ins and outs exactly with it. But yeah, these are apparently the boys to go for.
Iridiums you can't get.
Iridiums you can't get.
They're pretty good.
Nice. All plugs, fresh oil, new oil filter. This car is basically ready for mapping, boys. All good? That's a full service on the car, and yeah, it was nice and simple thanks to these lovely chaps. So much appreciated, boys. So this is like a typical thing of Tom, right? Every time he services my cars, no matter which car it is, he'll always do a little like victory lap. He'll go drive it for a little bit. What do you reckon?
Nice, isn't it?
Actually looks good. How's the handbrake?
Mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that rear plate makes it look sweet, mate.
No, I don't know. Tell you what though.
It's all coming together, boys, all coming together. All I need now is MHD map and an intercooler. Alright boys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, intercooler or MHD map. Don't know which one yet, but yeah, thanks for watching.